Good afternoon. Today I want to do a what's in my bag video for my work bags. This main one, my little lunch bag that I take with me every day, but I'm going to also do my gym bag. So I'll start with that since it hasn't got a lot in it. This is a Hello Kitty bag. It was a really cheap, just canvas bag. It came in like a, what do you call it? Like one of those gift bags at fairs, whatever, with a bunch of other cheap Hello Kitty stuff. So on there I just have this Kuromi keychain and a little Sakura petal keychain. In the front I have my house apartment keys, my gym swipe card, which I've put Kuromi stickers and push-in stickers all over, with another little Kuromi keychain there. My earbuds. These are Razer Hammerhead True Wireless. I've used them for like 2 years. And then just a lip balm, and I always take this Haro black cherry tinted lip balm to the gym because I don't really need something super moisturizing because I'll just sweat it off anyway, but I like having a little bit of a lip tint. I also often have a perfume, like travel size perfume in there, but I've taken it out for some reason. So in the main compartment I have a huge barbell pad. My gym has these, of course, but often they're being used or they're just like really broken up, and I was not going to wait for the day where I showed up wanting to do hip thrusts and couldn't find one. So I'm glad I have my own now. Of course, you're going to see that pink is the theme that I have for everything at the gym. My water bottle, it's a really scratched up Hello Kitty push-in drink bottle. I used to love it. I mean, I've used it so much it's just trashed now, but it's still very good. Keeps in cold water really well. And I've also bought my own ankle straps for doing like cable machine abductors to target other parts of your glutes. Yeah, I use these a lot, in fact. I think I've gotten to like as heavy as I can go on them. And the last thing in my gym bag is my pink towel, because you always need to have them at the gym. Oh, also, sometimes when I go to the gym I'm not doing hip thrusts or the cable abductors, so I'll put everything in this smaller bag. And this is Kuromi. It's glow in the dark as well. I always get loads of compliments on this bag, actually. Yeah, it's so cute. It's everything perfectly if I don't have the big bulky things in there. So yeah, that's what I take to the gym. The only thing that carries over to my work bag from my gym bag are my keys, of course, and my earbuds. So now we'll start with my work bag. This I take everywhere, not just to work, but it's great for work. I take it when I'm shopping, yeah, because there's so much room. Whatever I buy can usually fit in here. This bag is by Band Apparel. But yeah, I went with the pink because the pink had a design that I liked a little bit more. It actually came with these cute handcuff key rings, but I took that off for work because I'm sure you can see why. I work in an office. I don't really want something that edgy in the office. But yeah, I think this can get away with being more of like a fashion statement bag, not like a goth punk anarchist bag. Just put in where I usually have these things. I don't always have my laptop with me in my bag because I'll only bring it home if I plan to work from home. But yeah, it fits in there. How awesome is that? So So yeah, my work laptop is sometimes in there. And when I bring my work laptop home, I'll also be bringing home my work notebook. Very important. And my keyboard. I have all of this at home, but these are really ergonomic ones, which I really need for a full day's work. And then I also have my vertical mouse. So if I haven't brought my laptop home, instead of carrying my lunchbox by itself, I can actually fit this in here. Told you there's so much room. If I just rearrange a few things, it all fits, and I have to carry it. Can't close it when my lunchbox is in there, but yeah. I may as well just go through this as well. I'll usually have my protein shaker. I don't always need this, but if I haven't had a serving of protein with breakfast, I like to have that just so I can, have it with all 3 meals of the day. I usually just have a whole bunch of containers for my snacks and my lunch. That's the little protein ball that I keep separate so it doesn't rattle around. Yeah, I'll sometimes have a bento box if I'm not planning to heat up my meal in the microwave at work. So there's nothing in here right now because it's not a work day, but yeah, that's where I'll usually have my main meal, my snacks and cutlery, and more snacks. Yeah, full day's worth of food besides breakfast and dinner. But yeah, it's really important for me to have snacks, so I can't just get away with buying lunch at work every day because there's more food that I need to bring. Okay, back to my work bag. I'll also have my lanyard with my swipe card for work and the office key. I've just realised this was in here. This is a little Nutella jar that a colleague gave me because we keep both obsessing over tiny jars to put things in. I have this little key ring, which is hand sanitizer in a little bat. So it's like that, and you can refill it. Oops, it's coming out. I love that. I'll also have my glasses, which I also only bring home when I'm working from home. So usually these just stay at my desk at work. And this is them. Then very important, which I wear all the time, are my sunnies. This is the bag. It's a Killstar bag, but my sunnies aren't Killstar. Those ones I haven't had for a long time. And I also sewed this purple material on there because the metal parts that bend open kept cutting through, and it would hurt my fingers whenever I tried to open the bag. So also at the bottom I have a little thing to clean them, cleaning cloth. And then another extra protective bag, even though they're still a little scratched up. But yeah, having all of this definitely makes my sunglasses last longer than just throwing them in my bag without anything. Then a little umbrella. If there's enough room in my bag, I'll take a bigger one, but yeah, this is just a good emergency one. A pen, which keeps falling out of the pen pocket of the bag. And then in the other small pockets, that's where I put my earbuds and my sunscreen lip balm, which I put on every morning before I go out and before I leave work. Then whatever other lip balm or lip gloss I want to wear that day, which is what I'm wearing now. And then a decanted rollerball of whatever fragrance I'm wearing for the day. And this is pretty much always Burberry Brit Eau de Toilette. And then the last thing two last things, hair clasp. I usually just clip up my hair on my way to work, so it's out of the way and it's not gonna be all over my neck and getting sweaty. Usually only essential for like the hot months of the year. And then a little moisturizing tub because I need to moisturize my hands after literally every time I wash them. So yeah, this is a Nivea tub, but I just put a thicker moisturizer in there, like Aveeno or something like that. I forgot about the very middle of this bag, so it's huge, but there's like a middle secure pocket with a zip where I'll put my wallet and my keys, since I don't want them to get stolen. And also with the very back pocket, like the little tissue pocket thing, I have, oh my gosh, sorry if you can hear my cat meowing. I have a bunch of these papers because if you haven't noticed the other videos on my channel so far, they're like mainly fragrance videos, and I carry these around so I can test fragrances without spraying them on myself. Then I also have a spare face mask and a spare liner for emergencies. Okay, so that's finally everything in the main pocket. I've also got this little keychain to help me zip it up. Then on the back outside pocket, there are so many pockets on the outside of this bag. That's just where I keep spare tissues. Then on the front, the easiest to reach pocket has my travel bus train pass, and it's in a Kuromi case with a Kuromi lanyard. Everything is Kuromi. There are pockets in here that you wouldn't even think are pockets. Like this one I've kept empty just because there's so many. I actually haven't needed to use all of them. But this one has a notepad in it, which is nearly empty. Then the final two pockets are on the very ends of the bag. Oh, also, this has like a, what do you call it? Like a briefcase strap? Is that what you call it? I don't know, but like a shoulder strap, and it's very handy when my bag's really heavy. So in this side I have a face mask. I used to be a first aid officer at my work, so I'm just going to carry this around forever. A lighter. I'm not actually a smoker, don't really need to carry this around, but I just have so many lighters at home for candles, so I'm always going to keep spares handy. This is like attachments for my earbuds. They're not necessary, but I sometimes feel like I just want to wear them for security if I take the ferry home, because it gets really windy and I'm a little bit worried that my earbuds are going to fall out, because they are like the ones that don't have silicone. They're just like the Apple earbuds kind of. And there's one more thing in this side, which is a little compact mirror pill case. So sometimes I'll put vitamins in there if I need to take them at work, but mainly I just use the mirror to check my lip gloss. Okay, final side, final pocket is just for hair. So there's some of these. Okay, there's a bobby pin. Some of these, I saw another one. Those slinky hair ties. I don't like them. They're so bad for my hair. But I use them mostly for tying up cords, keeping all of my cords, charging cords, tied up and neat. But yeah, just for emergencies, this should be fine. And this is my little portable hairbrush, and don't know if you can recognize what it's from, but it's a Bratz doll hairbrush. So yes, I still collect Bratz here and there. I have like 5 or something of them. This came with one of them, and I love just keeping this in my bag to do some tidying up. Okay, so that is everything that is in my daily bag. It's going to take me so long to put everything back in. Okay, everything's back. So yeah, my main bag, my gym bag. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you. Bye.